Description: the ultimate detangler for wet or dry hair, works through tangles without tugging or pulling. Benefits: flexible bristles work through tangles without pulling or tugging. Soft touch finish is comfortable and slip-free. Suggested use: great for all hair types, including extensions. How to use: for wet and dry hair, start by brushing out the ends and work your way up to the crown. For extensions, hold the hair below the top of the extension and brush away tangles. This helps to avoid unnecessary tugging. At Drybar, our philosophy is simple. Focus on one thing and be the best at it. For us, that's blowouts. Our products have been created with that same goal in mind, to create and maintain the perfect blowout. But it's more than just hot air. It's happiness and confidence. Because when you look good, you feel good. Cheers. Top reviews from the United States. The best brush ever. This is the best brush detangler I've ever owned. I immediately bought 2 more plus a flat brush. Honestly, you need this brush and you will never regret it. Lol, I can't believe how excited I am to own this.